You never order anything?
You have to be kidding me.
You know one shop?
This boy, you don't know me. Oh.
You go shop, you know go shop. Yes. Give me semo. Oha soup. Dry fish with goat meat.
They don't sell those things here.
Now they sell that kind of thing for you. Wait, not go tell me saying that this cloth they make you the vessel. I not get another underwear. And even if I get, I know will change on. You know what this guy will do for me? And this guy they protect me now. If not woman for the bammy.
Hello my people, I'm deal with the sub. Welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, please just make sure to stick to the very end of this video because trust me, you will enjoy it. It's arguably the best you've ever seen. You get. So just watch the very end, subscribe and share this video. It is very important, you feel me? So don't play guys. Let's go have some fun. You're mad. But why you gonna beg? You look at him and say you don't get money. You don't come to go beg him. Listen, never underrate anybody, never undermine anybody. A big lesson for this. Listen.
God have mercy upon us.
Alright, you see this injustice that is going on. It's not like the soldiers cannot face the insurgents, but the leaders are busy playing politics. You see, look at what has been said. Yeah!
They say we will go learn. Chief of Defense Staff say we will go learn combat skills. Combat skills against somebody that has gun. Let's see the edit.
For anybody,
I sent you some video right now.
who changes his principles depending on whom he is dealing, that is not a man who can lead a nation.
That is what is happening to our people.
We need your support in dollars to buy weapons.
Listen, Omo, this guy is wise. This is what our politicians.
Let's see the edit.
Brodda over the killing of his people.
Stanley, this is a ginger, they made my teeth stand up. What kind of affairs, eh? Don't have question about we'll join you inside. Oh! Look at that water and show this. What is that? Come in. Lala.
I forgive me the khaki now. You don't do on season.
Don't tell.
The shower is not working.
Babes!
Hey! My babe.
Now my girlfriend be this now. Why you so why they tell you say I won't marry be this?
Yeah, well, I can't for fancy this night.
What?
Yeah.
Do you know what? I don't even have anything to drag with you right now. Pack on your stuff and let's go!
Lala, calm down, This girl overnight and carry out.
Anything. I don't want to follow you get issue. Babe, go and pack your stuff now.
Still they call him babe.
No, you gotta shop pack your stuff. That's all they can pay this girl. They cannot now.
But I don't even have time for all this process. Refund is money. Refund is 200k for you.
I don't like send the 200,000 to. One day your mother was dying in the hospital. That you needed that 200,000, and I sent the money to you. So why all this drama?
That's all.
La. This is your ginger. Oh yeah,
I don't forward the money, give my mama now. You see my mama know well.
Nothing spoil now. Between you and your girlfriend, you one person climb bed.
Eh?
Why you say when they talk, not me say if you give me dog, I not go take oh. Eh?
You want to send money from your husband's phone?
Mommy, come. What's wrong? What is this rubbish that your father put on his transfer? What's that? Mommy, this is night card. It's stop late night transfers.
Unless that is available to use his face ID.
It protects people that are maybe tired or unaware. Speak to me in language that I can understand. Mommy, I'm just trying to say that unless daddy is awake to use his face ID, you cannot transfer money from his account at night. Obi said no face, no funds. So your father went to go and employ people you know pay. Mommy, if you were not trying to do a transfer, this night guard will not catch you. The days I want to do transfer, please give me. Mommy, you know that the OPA security vote challenge is still going on. I can win lots of prizes. Have you done your video? I've done my own videos. Many I should upload it. So what's your favorite feature? Night guard?
I say I should slap you now.
Put your family bye-bye. Okay. If you kill me, you and the children will suffer. Will suffer.
You won't carry money for your husband.
Why did you keep me waiting? Keep me waiting for over 30 minutes.
You know go vex. Now Lagos traffic now. You don't know how the traffic they be. No vex, eh?
Okay. Wait. And why are you wearing an Arsenal jersey
My gunners
on a
now.
date?
No vex.
Gunner.
You don't know what it's up. I give dry cleaner my shirt too. Say me you iron the shirt. If I go know, the guy don't go burn up. No vex.
And then even if you don't want to wear a shirt, maybe wear a t-shirt or something. This is not nice now.
Me call the t-shirts and wear the Arsenal jersey if you go call the impress. I want to say we now won't win the premiership now. You don't know.
Gunners.
Don't worry. Now God now do one for me. I just the reason I can't go wear inner wear. The inner wear is set. You understand? So I feel you go toilet. My go change around. You understand?
Better.
I'm not gonna believe if you set like this. I can't even see my Peter. You keep set too. Eh?
You're that guy.
Converse. I don't go change around.
Rattel.
What's this on your shirt?
Rattel now. I mean a strong rattle. You not be rattle.
Look, I don't like that guy. I don't like that guy at all.
Relax now.
I go change them.
Two things where you not like, but you know me say the guy not the try now. You know they see the work with the guy they do.
All right.
You don't do. I know Koto said because of VDM now, I can't lose my baby. I the craze. You know it's a good sort. Yes. I don't even know. As I come up from house, I can't say for the first time make I wear two in a way. You understand? Or not go worry about this one now.
My gay go here go.
You know say you know my sugar. My Dangote sugar.
My gay go here. Nothing you want to tell me. Gay University, I know.
You never order anything.
You have to be kidding me.
You know what shop?
This boy, you don't know me.
You go shop, you know go shop.
Gay University of Wisdom and Understanding.
Give me semo.
I know.
Soup, dry fish, goat meat.
They don't sell those things here.
Now they sell that kind of thing for you. Wait, not go tell me say that this cloth they make you the vessel. I not get another underwear, and even if I get, I know will change on. You know what this guy they do for me? And this guy they protect me now. If my woman for the bammy.
Okay, fine. Then you have to choose between me or him.
You be gay. Make I go work hard. Eh? Make I go work hard so I go carry the money go take care of you and myself. Not worry. You go regret. No, we'll not go work.
It depends.
Depends on what. Choose.
No problem.
This food where you want shop for here now. This champagne where you don't buy. Who go pay?
You, of course.
I'll choose you.
Yes, I know.
I am more dangerous. Always have fun. Spiritual. My video is more dangerous.
This guy.
Nadem. I thought I'm saying Nadem.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
How they go stick out like that? Not possible. Why? How spirits gonna clap? Why you like to stay inside bush all the time?
Perez, my son! Perez, my son!
Which one be your son now? You don't know your children.
I'm the priestess of Nekuku. Your forefathers have served Nekuku. And now is your generation to serve Nekuku. And you are the chosen one.
When they do that election, when they start to choose me, I don't know. You go tell Nekuku, see, I know that line. Now let me do the family. When I go call our last one, you not get work. Me, I get a bishop. Why not like ambitious people like this?
You are making a big mistake.
For me to first come from that village, na mistake. Because anybody who did that village, not they progress.
If you don't come back to the village and take your position, you are going to suffer.
See who rich. You reach now, you end up as messenger.
Jesus.
What do you make you like poor people?
I wonder.
Or they don't go to they not get forefathers. Or Thaedoboy they not get forefathers. How many don't you say their forefathers go call them, say they go back, go serve them? You reach my turn now, you say make I come back. I never feel serve myself. Well, at times I know they be the job where you say man go serve you.
If you don't accept your calling, you are going to be poor all the days of your life.
When I never serve in Nekuku before I reach, not be midday yes. Do when you vanish, come up for you. That they stop people here. May they not go feel say you be one of all those people where they call shit of people land. They come up for this place.
You are the light of that village.
I be light of the village. When I do the village, since light reach our company. Go tell Nekuku say if you want make a server, may come meet me for UK. Now UK are the plan to go so. Man, see I want to enter UK without visa.
He get a CBO. He get.
That's true, sir.
What's
going on here?
Yeah.
Daddy.
I came to your room last night. You didn't sleep in the house. Where did you go to?
Let's have it.
Daddy, I went for night vigil.
Night vigil.
Daddy. You know Auntie Agnes, right?
Reverend Sister Agnes.
Yes.
I know her.
So she created this prayer group for just ladies to be praying at night. So last night I joined her. And since you said I should, serve God in my youthful age and be close to God, I decided to do that. And recently, Daddy, guess what? I love the relationship I have with the Holy Spirit right now. And it's so sweet and smooth.
Wait, is it the same Reverend Sister Agnes that is in our estate you are talking about?
Exactly.
The one that stays in row 3.
You are good play.
Hey.
You go cry.
Sister, this Auntie Agnes that you're using to lie, she came to meet Daddy last night too. She even slept in his room and left this morning.
Dalo, good girl. Where are you running to? Come now. Prayer warrior, come now. Why are you running?
Oh, Daddy, why did Auntie Agnes sleep in your room last night?
I'm dying inside. A lot of things are happening to me. All those things where you see now come out.
No concern.
See picking where I born and they challenge me. And I be one pull out.
This life where we there, now person when you want try help, now it go bring you down.
Makaka,
Mozkoh.
My love.
Welcome back.
How are you?
I do.
The baby don't kick today, so yeah, check.
You don't
Confirm.
So who be this now?
Okay. His name na Abibo.
From where?
I go borrow the boy from his mama.
Borrow? Why?
Babe, you know see as we dey pray, so that's why I go borrow this pikin come. So you go use and they learn how to train pikin ahead as we dey wait for our own pikin. I don't want to see a situation whereby if you don't born and then you won't call the learn how to take care of pikin. You understand?
I like him.
His name na Habib. Habib, this is your new mommy now, yeah. Greet her now.
Good morning, ma.
Is that too good? Come on, lie down.
Hey.
Good morning, ma.
Go inside.
Go inside.
Put your shoe. Who wear shoes on my house?
Hey.
You can't start to the wash place now. What's going on here?
Habib.
Daddy, welcome.
Who pack all these clothes giving me the wash?
It's mommy.
It's mommy?
Yes. I have even packed some and dried in the backyard.
What?
Yes, this is one that I've been washing clothes.
Babe! Hey! Babe, come outside. Now she pack all these clothes, give you as you small rich, give you jeans and bed sheets, make you they wash. So now like this she go the pack look give my pikin, make my pikin they wash if she don't born.
But yeah, no lie. Now slave you bring for now.
Yo, Saluba, come. Babe. Which can't be that one?
Babe. What's up? Why they shout?
And I know they like all this kind of thing. What if I no quick come out? Imagine you see what you pack this small pikin, make small pikin they wash. Jeans when me self they run from. Now you carry give small pikin make they wash.
I don't understand. Not be you say make I use the pikin, telling her to train pikin. So why you put the shots now?
So this is you training the child. Babe, come on for that place. Come on, follow me.
Mozkoh, you dey spoil this pikin.
Which one be I dey spoil?
If I want to train the pikin.
Just 2 days when I bring pikin come out. Pikin don't grab. See pikin muscle.
It's okay. It's alright. Hello, Daddy.
Who be your daddy? Now me boy you. Your father find out. Wait, why him? Stand for one place. You swallow we shall be something you won't swallow. Just get on, go pack your load. Go carry your calamus. Babe! Before you go kill me. Babe! Now today that boy there's no pack for a parent. She became my brother walking me.
La caca.
Because they match where you walk.
Whether who you dey find, bro?
My mother say they try call you since you know they pick your call.
Who be your mother?
Now my brother be this. I can't check. My mother's my check up on her.
I can't follow you.
I mean, now the punishment will be
punishment.
I beg, what do you do?
What do you do? Blast say one join now. Bro, go tell your mama say her picking day okay.
Babe, you release the pikin. I don't do that since morning.
3 hours now since morning.
If I put a sentence over my pikin, I still want to train my pikin.
Wait, bros, I go appreciate if you go outside. Just go outside like this. Close the gate and get out.
But I took to nowhere. Both you and your wife. It's 3 a.m. and my girlfriend just realized the story I told her 2 months ago does not add up. After 2 months.
Are you okay?
I am very okay, Adetola.
You slap with me like this.
Why not go you slap? Wait, last 2 months that I saw you with that girl. What did you tell me? That fair girl that you said is your cousin, Adetola.
Hey, Chioma, you're not a cousin now.
Chioma, Adetola, Chioma, you are dark, she's fair. How come? Explain. I'm listening.
Yeah, from the father side.
Father side.
Grandfather.
I know your father, I know your grandfather. All of them, they are dark, they are Yoruba. Adetola, how come? Chioma, your cousin, Chioma, you are not hugging her. She was touching, she was saying, I will miss you. I will miss you. Rubbish. Go and meet Chioma wherever she is. If you talk, I will slap you. This rubbish.
Show! After 2 months, now you remember.
Agkaay, your day.
Who's that?
Agkaay, they come out.
What happened? What's your problem?
Why to give you the audacity, the effort you to beat my son?
I don't understand. Is that why you're walking in here barking like a dog? Are you okay?
Agkaay, daddy, back like a dog. Why you go beat my son?
Calm down now. You hear my own side of the story first now before you start barking. What's your problem? This boy is a stupid one. Look at him.
He's still gonna do that.
I went to the market to go and buy something. What I say? I went to buy petrol. As I was coming back, I saw him and his friend. They were playing football. As I was walking past, they started pouring me sand. And who does that? He said,
Baba Kayode, because of sand, because of this small pikin wey no know anything. Pour you sand, now you make you beat him. If to say na so they take beat Kayode, if I grow, you get luck. You get luck. Say my husband never come back. It to say he come. Yes. A prisoner for sin.
Who is your husband?
Nonsense.
God punish your husband. Something wrong with you? Where is the bloody civilian?
My husband is okay. My husband. It's okay.
What did he say?
Waka.
Look at the animal you call his son.
Hey.
And he's showing it. Hey, baby. Babe, don't worry. Call the rest of the boys. God don't punish you today. Open this door. Open this door.
But the pikin no get respect. Those broke boys.
I'm so sorry. I thought it was awesome. This awesome car now. So you're the one driving this car today. Where is he now? Where is awesome? Eh?
Sweetheart.
Awesome.
I'm looking so sweet, man. I can shine it.
Your friend, you're the one.
Sorry,
driving
I went to pick something. That was right. Just enter. Let's go now.
Thank you.
Bad guy.
Awesome boy.
No be awesome, get car.
I'm sure you know, say that's what they do. We just come buy food for you. You don't dey dress like Ramanchago.
They worry this guy now.
Which of you they worry?
No be awesome, get car.
If I just like problem, go follow me come out.
Wetin you dey talk?
I believe
okay, me where they wear boxer, I don't know what I dey do.
You not tell guy now. Where no wear boxers go? You wear boxers go church.
You just go buy food. You dress like
see, as they like this, you know, say, na me be the energy for this group.
Which group?
So na me guys, if I don't get money, I guys get the energy.
Okay,
you know, the guys come. Now they beg me. I just laugh, I just carry come. I swear, I no go take. I just want I want do quickie. I just do.
You say you go do like Dan. That's what Dan they do self.
I no be Dan and I don't do tata. Now one time I want do now. I don't tata be that.
The last time when you come, everywhere and Soso come. Even kitchen.
Guy, no loud down now. I no go take. Now Dan go take now, bro. I don't get money now. Why would they take on top? Bro, make I just give me the key. Okay,
now the last time.
Now.
You know, girl also.
She don't hear.
I don't hear you. Kiki. Okay, give me. Okay, give me the
key. I don't want me. Don't want me. Let's
say, bro. I let me play on top women.
All those girls now, they don't say now you get money. Bro, you think say now you they feed us.
Bro, I don't mean say.
Make person they tell me say I didn't say awesome scar. Awesome scar. Who eat you for it?
Wait, me I know be say. Now nothing for my hand.
Yeah, now you know what.
They go for your hand, no worry.
Guy, see how this guy dressed now, bro. You go which guess? He don't they go again. He go come now, come borrow food. No, leave her. No, Allah. Leave her. That's 16 plus.
Now it's okay, Abby?
Yeah.
Okay. He done.
Yeah, now the sharp run.
I go me when we transfer now.
I hope you don't jam. For him as well.
No. Just don't worry. Calm down. Just we are coming.
Fake life.
What thing they do? You guys say now they increase. Which kind of pattern with this one now?
Don't vex now, beg now. Just let me run the transfer now. You know my G now.
Guy, you go soon bring me on your level, guy. I don't feel
everywhere.
I know they spend the way you say they spend my money. I know they spend my money the way you they spend that. You they spend my own money past me.
I never leak this girl now. I don't leak this girl now. We don't. Oh yeah now. Oh G.
I don't know where they see all this kind. She gets a she make.
Why you need me with this? You see that girl who I go meet for you. Her name is Mary. I should be like Christian sister.
Let him cook.
I swear to God, once you deal with this girl, like by next year, our invitation will be like Mary Kay. Because her foundation too strong.
He's good.
But why is it that all these alcohol companies, all these people they produce beer, why they know they use their customers, they do adverts? Why they need to use those people they drink and they fall inside gutter? Why they need to use them do advert for the company? Is it that they are ashamed of their customers? Use those people they drink enter gutter. Why not they use them do the advert?
God,
they shy for them? Are you ashamed?
That one really. People they drink they enter gutter. Those people they abuse the alcohol. You understand? They abuse the alcohol. They say drink responsibly. So those people know they drink responsibly, so they cannot use them. Now people where they drink responsibly, now they use. You get a point now. You get a point now. Social media, for example, you get people who say that they use social media to do better thing. Now those people, brands they go meet. People who know they use and do better thing. Brands know they go meet them. You understand? So it's just that simple. No need to talk too much with that one. So my people, I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And like I always tell you guys, do not forget to subscribe. It is very important. It is very important because my channel is still under restriction. So the only thing you can do for me is to be sharing it and subscribing. You feel me? So thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. There's so many of them. And see you in my next video. Peace and love.